Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Windows Workshop, Accessing Windows Sound Settings, I'm going to show you all the different ways that you can access the Windows sound settings so that you can get to what you need in a flash. The first way that you can access Windows sound settings is through Eclipse. If I open Eclipse, I can go to User Settings, Real Time, Audio Recording, and in this window, there's a Levels button. If I press the Levels button, this will take me directly to Windows sound devices for playback devices as well as recording devices. Here you can set your default devices and also right-click on a device and access its properties. However, you may need to sometimes access this on a computer that doesn't have Eclipse. To do that, there's two ways that you can do it. You can first go to the lower right-hand corner of your screen to your volume icon. If you left-click on the volume icon, you can raise or lower your volume, but if you right-click on the volume icon, you get a series of settings. One of those settings is Sounds. If I choose Sounds, it takes me to the Windows Sound window, and I can go to Recording or Playback to access all of my devices. Also, if I click the Start button, I can type in Sounds, and if I click on Change System Sounds, that same window opens, and I can go to Recording or Playback again. And additionally, if I click on Start, I can go to the Control Panel, and with either large or small icons selected, one of the options that I have is Sound to open that same window. And again, I can access the Playback and Recording tab. However, there is also another way. I can click on Start, go to Settings, and here you see that under System, Sound is one of the options. So I'm going to make this window bigger, and I'll go to System, I'll go to Sound, and here I have all of the new Windows options for sound controls, but I also have an option to go to Sound Control Panel. And this option is either going to be listed in the top right if you have enough room for everything, or if the window is small like this, you'll have to scroll down to access Sound Control Panel. And if I click on this, again the same Windows Sound window opens up where I can access both the Playback and Recording tab. So no matter when you need to access your sound settings, or no matter which computer you need to access them on, there are several different ways that you can get at the settings you need to modify. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Don't forget to recommend any ideas that you may have for videos using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thanks so much and have a great day.